Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is my very first Emerson blender ceiling fan. It's an Emerson heat fan. I don't know where the name blender fan came up with. I don't know who came up with it, but it doesn't look like a blender. I don't know. You tell me if it looks like a blender. Yeah, I have no idea where the name came from. Anyways, I got this off of eBay. This is the K55 52-inch version. I'm pretty sure this is 52 inches. And it's 2 speeds, and I think it's reversible. I'm not sure. I think you have to wire that one of those wires differently to make it go in the other direction because it's set to forward right now. I'm not too sure. This is my first Emerson heat fan, so I don't know too much about these. I know just enough. It took me a little bit to put the blades on because I first had them mounted on like that, but I was realizing, something doesn't seem right, and then I finally figured it out. But yeah, anyways, let's go to low. So this fan only has 2 speeds. Here's low. This one goes a little slower than I expected it to go because I thought these go a lot faster. But there were a few variants of these. They either came in brown, which this one's in, or white. Some of them had no switch housings and they were controlled by just wall control. Some of them came in K63, some came in K55. This one's a K55. Some only came with 3 blades, which most of those had no switch housing and they're controlled by a wall. Very few you'd see pop up with a switch housing and pull chain. But that would be in either 38 or 36 inch, but with another variance because these also came in 38 or 36. I don't remember off the top of my head. It blows a pretty good amount of air. I never felt the air experience of these. I've only seen a few 3 blades, no switch housing, Emerson blender fans a really long time ago. It was at this dinosaur museum when I was like 6, 7 years old. That was a long time ago. Here's high. I expected this fan to go a lot faster, but I guess this is how fast it goes. Spin down.